immaculate, even blessed with a half a gift. Hoes calling out where I'm at, you sunk my battleship. Could've got away with this loving, but you be smacking lips. My girl tryna decipher my code like I'ma smack a bitch. Then pack my shit, me and the baby leaving. If it wasn't for my pussy, I'm here for no reason. Instead, that's not enough to keep your bitch ass from cheating. Bitch, save it for the deacon. Philly niggas always creeping. Money oversleeping, lose money from oversleeping. Let's keep money in the family. I'm tryna fuck Oprah nieces. Must be open season on niggas, so many murdered. Even if you innocent, never bet on that verdict. Sad you gotta strap up just to get you a burger. You ain't even safe at the crib, they'll hit your curtains. Lost a couple homies that passed, still I keep stepping. Live by the gun, you gon' die by the same weapon. Chicks poking holes in your condom before you sex them. And when that child born is yours without a question. Throwing on your best dressed shit, niggas be salty. Especially when they girl find your number, then start calling. Niggas strong, miles mourning the endless cycle. But still get your paper and just pray you see the morning. Biz. Check. To climb the ladder, success don't hit the bottom. You tryna follow the straight and narrow, more like a slalom. Never met a problem, unfixable, God got it. Keep all my thoughts on the pad, then drop knowledge. Dropped out of college, experience worth the tuition. Adding up my credits while teaching these chicks division. Freestyle in the dorms while loud in rotation. Some niggas graduated, most niggas got probation. Fuck a term paper, take turns on PlayStation. Still pass every class, linguistic skills amazing. Made a name for myself, killing niggas in ciphers. And watch them niggas end up pissed, go get a diaper. Caravans full of them goonies, we hit the club. Take a date, out to the movie, get finger fucked. Take a drink, know that I'm drunk, but drink some more. Wake up hours later, the blood stains on the floor. Hit my head, damn it, I'm dead, not like Shakur. Mean I'm dying laughing and lapping up the allure. Living life, unforgiving, young boy. Spend your days without a purpose, you null and void. Plan to rob, only time you off the porch. No ID, no job, only resort to violent shit. Cause your pop left you at 4, what? Get off your ass, your past is not what make you. Teach your son the ways of a man he can relate to. Son of a bitch, fuck it, I'm rich, that's wishful thinking. My bread start rising, my worries might start shrinking. Never know, hustle hard, your hustle show. Ready, set, go, we racing to stay afloat. What's your logical position on this? What you propose? I can easily hit boy on the hip, give me some O's. Though I'm trying to stay mostly legit. Drew need some clothes, he was cool in the summer, but shit, it's getting cold. And excuses ain't paying these bills, they getting old. So if opportunities say sell it, it's getting sold back. Cold training some more wet, I just zone out. Thankful to the most high and the ones who doubt. Murphy's nigga who making this lane down south. Cold beast, behold heat, I'm hot dog, no sauerkraut. Word.